Good morning students, hope you all are well. So our today's video is about the skeletal system. So as you can see, this is the structure of a human skeleton. So in our body we have total 206 bones. So all these bones combine and form our skeletal system. So the skeletal system form the frame of our body. So you can see this is the diagram of our skeletal system, or it is a human skeletal system. So different parts are there. In the upper portion there is skull, and in the middle portion, means in the chest portion, there is rib cage, and we have the arms. There is some bones are there like the radius, ulna, then femur, tibia, fibula. All these bones are present, and all these bones are combined and form the skeletal system. Next, what is the function of our skeletal system? So as I have told, that skeletal system form the framework of our body, and it gives the proper structure of our body. It protects our internal organ. Internal organ means which organs present inside our body, like our heart, our brain, kidney. So all these organs are present inside our body, and the skeletal system protect these organs from any kind of injury. It also helps in the movement of our body along with the help of our muscular system. Why? Because the bones are attached with the muscles, and when we are moving our hands, when we are moving our legs, so we are moving our bones and also our muscles. And the skeletal system also produce blood cells, because inside the bone there is a substance that is called bone marrow, and bone marrow are responsible for the formation of different blood cells like red blood cell, white blood cell, etc. Now we can divide our skeletal system into following parts like skull, rib cage, backbone, limbs and girdles. So first see what is skull and what is the function of skull. So as you can see, it is the structure and the diagram of a skull. So the skull is the hardest part of our body. Okay, it protects our brain, because the brain is the internal organ, and it is present inside our inside the skull, and the skull protect our brain. So the skull consists of total 22 bones, but from this structure you cannot see that 22 different bones are present, because they are attached with each other. Okay, so out of these 22 bones, only the bones of the lower jaw, okay, means we can move our lower jaw. That means the bones which are present in our lower jaw, they can move. And you can see in our skull there are different sockets. Some sockets are there, or some holes are there for our organ, like our eyes, nose, ear and mouth. Next is our rib cage. Okay, so it is the frame of our chest. It forms the frame of our chest. So it is made up of total 12 pair of carved bones. You can see all these bones are carved in structure. So it is made up of total 12 pair of carved bones, and these carved bones are known as the ribs. Okay, so the first 10 pairs, they are known as the breastbone or sternum. Okay, that means the first 10 pairs, they are known as breastbone and sternum, and they are not attached with each other, they are separate. But the last two pairs, as you can see, these bones are attached with each other, and they are known as the floating ribs. So what is the function of a rib cage? It forms the frame of our chest, and it also protects our lung.